Good morning. It's Sunday, December the 11th, and we are out and about on this beautiful sunny day. It's going.
Right?
Yep. Oh, that's cute. I promise I'll contain my excitement this time. Oh, it's so cute.
Yeah, anyway.
Are you videoing?
Oh no, I'm
Oh,
not.
for
I think you're kidding.
All right, a little bit of news, guys. Dave had his final day at work on Friday, and he is so excited, aren't you, Dave?
Daddy.
Show them all how excited you are. So I still have 2 weeks and 3 days to go. So I've got the next 2 weeks and then the 3 days after Christmas. And then I'm done too. So that will be awesome. Oh, let me fix up that little bit of hair that's sticking up madly.
I think I'm going to get attacked. Hold on. Don't you dare attack
Oh, no.
me. Bird.
And I had the camera facing the wrong way. It's so cute. Looks like a little frog from underneath. Almost lost my glasses.
Struggling with the wind, there's a lot of wind.
Wow. We'll bring him down then. Not badly done there, Dave, for your second flight. Oh, well done.
I don't know why it's stable sideways, but we gave it a go. It's very windy up there, though. I thought that bird was actually going to attack.
I know,
I was hoping
going
that
straight
wasn't.
for it.
I thought it was a hawk, but it wasn't. We call them bin chickens. And
No,
it
that's an
actually didn't
ibis.
attack it, eh?
That's an ibis, bin
Ibis,
chickens,
We
yeah.
call them bin chickens.
Yeah.
But I really thought it was going to attack it. What do I do now? I'm going to turn this off, okay?
That was good. That was good.
That's a
So
good
yeah,
one in the backyard,
that was that was our second flight. You know what? One of these days I'll actually get behind the operational part of the drone and perhaps give it a flight myself. That's if Dave lets me. We'll see. No, he's already offered. He's already offered. To be fair, he has. But I'm just a little bit
disconnected.
little bit frightened of what I could do to.
No, I'm just trying a couple of settings, that's all.
Well, you need to learn.
Max them out. Because here it's still a flight path, even so the trees are probably 60 metres. I'm not allowed to take this higher than 60 metres.
Yeah. See that little car over there?
Gone.
Gone. Tomorrow. It's been dropped off tomorrow.
My fingers are too fat for the controls. Maximum distance.
Well, that's about it for right now.
Sorry about that. Move away from the landing spot. I am armed and dangerous.
Pew, pew, pew. And she's down.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Stop.
Uh-oh.
No, I'm moving it further forward. I was going to catch it with my hand.
Oh, let's not be a hero, Dave.
I'm landing it. Oh, I can't land it, won't let me.
Why not? Just let it land by itself.
I am. Make sure you're okay. Ta-da!
Ta-da!
I was going to actually try and land on my hand, but I'll try that next time. It's just, I got told if you're doing it to land on your hand, no wind, and at the moment, if you see
There
my
is
wife
a fair bit.
Judy's hair, it is a lot of wind.
Yeah.
She's actually struggling over there. You can see it flicking around.
The hair?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Trendy as hell. Oh my god.
So I'm not trying any tricks while there's so much wind. I've got to get a station park, I think, to do that. And I'll be able to do it. Yes. Oh, it's me.
All done?
Yes, all done now. It's coffee time.
All right, all done. See you soon.